Since the dawn of our universe, humanity has crossed countless frontiers. We touched the moon, decoded the human genome, built machines smarter than ourselves. Yet one question remains unanswered. Why can't we live together in peace? For centuries, we've fought wars not just with weapons, but with ideas. Religions, cultures, traditions, once meant to guide us, have become walls that divide us. We've built modern technology, conquered diseases, unlocked the knowledge of the stars. But somehow the greatest victory, the victory of unity, remains out of reach. Millions of lives spent working to survive, trapped in a cycle of bills, debts, and false dilemmas, controlled by systems built not to free us, but to divide us. What if there were no borders, no wars, no political agendas, no false dilemmas? What if we were never meant to fight? What if this planet was always meant to be one home, for one human community, bound by one universal truth, that life is meant to be cherished, not wasted? We are not different schools of thought. We are one infinite stream of consciousness, capable of creating beauty, love, and innovation. One planet, one human community, one life, one love. The world was made for us, not against us. Share this message if you believe in a world without borders.